Hi, this is Laura Turner, and today we're going to talk about how to write a good scholarship essay. In order to really compete for some of these big top scholarships, you're going to really want to make sure that you follow the guidelines first, but also that you really pour yourself into this essay. Usually you're going to be given a pretty broad topic to write on, and you're going to be able to put a lot of yourself into it because the people who are going to be reading this essay really want to know who you are and what you plan to do with your life. So of course, first of all, have a plan. And second of all, implement that plan whenever you're writing your essay. I have an example here for a recent winning National Merit Scholar essay. And this essay is one in which the student speaks of his plans for his life in order to help, essentially the world. He has some really big things that he wants to do in his life. He says that he has, having read many books on relativity, quantum mechanics, existentialism, religion, capitalism, democracy, and post-Aristotelian philosophy, my quest for knowledge has only intensified. So this guy is apparently a very bright guy who has gotten this scholarship right out of high school. You don't have to have read many books on quantum physics, and your goal does not have to be to create a theory for the creation of the universe. But you do need to really sort of pour all of your dreams into this essay and try to mold the essay around yourself so that the essay itself will make you shine and be more attractive to that particular school. So really don't worry about going over the top in a sense, but do worry about keeping your integrity. Make sure that you are not just writing your essay just to impress, but that you really do stand behind the things that you're writing in it. So good luck with that, and hopefully you'll get your scholarship.